Welcome guys, we're looking at exam tip 5 and 6. So the last time we looked at space and time. Today we're learning that for the exam space, if you remember, we broke the exam space down into the topics and the exam time into this 3x3 grid. So for the exam space, what we did was that we broke the topics into Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. We had topics for each day to consider. Now these topics, as we recognized, came like this. So we had a Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Now for each topic, we are required to learn about 5 words. For each topic, we're required to learn about 5 words. So it means that we have 5 by 5, 25 times another 5, which is a lot of vocabulary, but it's doable if you consider them in groups of chunks. So Monday, consider the Monday vocabulary, Tuesday vocabulary, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, like that. Like I said, it has to be done 30 minutes when you wake up and then 30 minutes when you're going to sleep. So I'll illustrate it further on the banner board. But for now, remember that the exam space, the 25 topics are grouped into 5 columns for the days of the week. Also, that's exam tip 5. And also, we must know 5 words for each of the 25 topics. 5 vocabulary. The vocabulary makes up the language of the course. Also, after doing that, we go on to the point where we can actually bear the answers. How do we extract answers from this examination tree? So with that, I'll change board so that you can have a look. Yeah, once again, so this is my banner board, and it all starts with this side, the Venn diagram. We saw the word and number relationship, and we saw that you have 90% words and just 10% correspond to number. Also, we saw the topic table breakdown for the days of the week: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. And we have just learned in exam tip 5 that we're supposed to know at least 5 vocabularies. 5 vocabularies, which is the language of the course, for each one of these topics. It's very important for the next purpose, which is the answer block. The answer block. I call the answer block the Rubik's Cube. This block, I call this the Rubik's Cube. You can see it almost fits the Rubik's Cube. Yes, it almost fits it like that. The answer block, yes.